What's up my people? Welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys, and my people, me I go run through the intro quick and fast, cause me I go run through that one here quick and fast. So Mama Rich look like say she a plan to buy a vehicle, my people. Yes, so me I say right now she a take some driving lesson, and me I go share that with Uno. I look up her tight still. You know what I mean? We also have Jakes deal with Akeem away. You know what I mean? And him friend them. Till him friend them I say, yo, anyhow we see any little movement, certain we are take ourselves and run him, man. You see me I say? So we have more things with people. As me say I run through that one quick and fast. So make we jump in it right now.
No kiss. You have to go build up your stomach. Put on grill by your chest plate. Yeah. Cause what way you want Annie the pan live and Anya look you. And you want name you. And you want name you she. Me like when you do, me like when you together. I feel the match, you know. Well, might as well you take Annie. Because if it's not Annie's rosealee, you're going to get, but you're going to get one of them. You have to get one of them, she. You and them go through it, you know, she. This is called lover's war. You and them go through it. She, Annie, no sex and no kiss. So build up your stomach, go put on grillers bulletproof by your chest. Oh. Cause we know every soul you swallow you gonna regret. Yeah man, then Anya walk come up man, then Jabaz him out of order. Me say from me looking at Jabaz eyes, me say wickedness. Jabaz is a wicked, dirty drunk rum. Jabaz is a nasty, dirty boy. And one thing me can say, I see me not run for tear up people when me walk and defend people. Me no say Jabaz is a dog shit. Me not ask no question. Jabaz are germs. Me not tell you nothing. You know say Jabaz come out and talk, oh, he never smell animal. Jesus, Jabaz he never smell animal. Repent! Repent! May I wait for him to repent? She Jabaz pass like me say we must see Jabaz I say them some the people me a fight Jabaz. I tired when I done. I tired when I done only to realize that Jabaz is not in front of me. Oh they scam me. Me say me a rip up Jabaz. Rip up Jabaz. Wicked. Wicked. And Anya walk with ability in Ringa is wicked. You know my friend from Jabaz. I don't like Jabaz. I don't want no friend from Jabaz. I'm coming back, people. This can't for something strong. Cause when me hear Jabaz say, in the snake, rubbish joke. And somebody say, oh, nobody now ask if you're rubbish joke. Let me tell you something. I want to call the people them who are sensing the things. Them stop full up Jamaica. Stop full up Jamaica. We don't want nothing out here. We don't need nothing at all. Stop full up Jamaica. Stop giving the things them and terrorize the people. And you know so we're licky. And once we start saying the things that we're going to look on the government for our share, for even the ballot we're going to want at the chuck back. Stop sending things to Jamaica. We can't help ourselves. We can't help ourselves. Oh. No send nothing more. We don't move your rotten belly self from your song way. For you sell crutches and make millions. Ivany, come here. Me never telling a lie. A body I carry the swing and your body will use up from Jamaica. Your body will use up from Jamaica. Remember saying you're now the skin tightening, you know, so you're Lucy Lou, you're coming a Charlie's Angel. You are Lucy Lou, me a Cameron D, come my mouth Brad. Me don't know who gonna be Drew Barrymore, you know, me don't know who gonna be Drew Barrymore. Put King for me Drew Barrymore. Yeah, you understand me? Roger Balsley. Roger is Balsley. Yeah. Like in the bars. Yeah. So come here. So when you talk about you sell pum pum and make millions, Ivany, nothing for you can sell to make money. Nothing for you use up. When you see your baby father, when you always look like him have Down syndrome, like him the on the spectrum and show at close people now view it. So you understand when me see him run from you, I'm gonna take up a girl with a band with hip. And you have hip, mouth, body hole, every single thing. And you don't want you. Then all your pum pum to make you make millions. Move your nasty self. You're not even wear good makeup. You're not even wear good makeup. Look rough. Like you have a rough background. From people say they know your background come with sun. Honestly, from people say they know says one client that you have tropics. For sure. No care how you go on and where you have on. From some people say them say, oh she's tropics. You look hot man. Yeah, man, you look burning. You look scorched. Yeah. From them look at your pigmentation, them say this not real. This one water and cucumber with pumpkin. Yeah, man. Beautification we are working on. Yeah, living a filter. Beautification we're working on. Beautification. No doubt about that. No doubt about that. No doubt. Yeah. Why the Middle East people here don't leave me alone? You know, say somebody set my life and set them for me. Why?
Asking for much, but I guess
Jesse. I'm Jesse, Jesse. We can't believe it. So. So I'm not going to be Sammy, Labby, Tammy, Laddie. We don't know the man here now. Oh. What do you know? Renzi! What do you know the man name? No man, go and suck out on the deepest mother. Out and Miss Bean herself. What you tell me for? You think this? Remember you sliding on my DM. Remember you this. Remember you that. When me hear she talk, I have to say to myself, say, you know, say we have some wicked set of dirty germs. I have to say to myself, say, you know, say we have some dark shit. Because more and more people underneath that video, I thought, well, I saw them stay. Let me tell you something. Oh, World Dog find Miss Bean. Miss Bean suck off the whole of the crew, and World Dog end up with her. Yeah. She don't know, say she a pass on donkey. She not even coon. She not even trachea. She not even blackjack.
Alright my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. Right now we are going to hear from Annie my people, because them say red ants get hold on pan by the officer them, because them did in a Annie car and a bunch of things, you know what I mean? So make we get in it.
Because I know what she go through every day. I know her pain. I know her pain. I know her pain, you know. I just want her for happy, brother. I just want her for a win. She try every day.
Pretti, you can hear me?
Yeah, me I hear you. I don't mean in the arm, I don't mean in the
No, you don't mean me no harm. Me know you don't mean me no harm. It's clear. And no disrespect here. Me know you don't mean me no harm. Me know you mean me good. Me know you did it for me good. As I just say, me just I did it for her. Me no want she. Me
yeah,
no want she.
Understand. Me no want she leave neither, because if she leave, me know where you go back. Cause me know, you know me know. Me no want she leave.
You hard for swallow. Me swear to you. You hard for swallow. And if this guy everybody turn and start tell her to leave, she will just go back on the road with the baby, and me no want that. You get what me I say? They better than those part me there. So
me no want she leave.
me just want, please. Me just make all of them stay together for Christmas. More everybody together. Jagger, Anna, everybody. You get what me I say?
Alright, you see, for me, this is the truth, Annie. And this is why I say to you, say, choose yourself. Because listen, It don't make no sense to fight for somebody and because them can't have for them way them abuse you. It is not okay. But you see, if it's just that you want for now, just to be happy, me love when you're happy. You know, say me love when you're happy. So if that make you happy, you choose what make you happy. You understand me?
Yeah, we get that.
So if that make you happy for everybody, they one place both him and everybody fine. Me not have a problem. Me just say to you, say, choose yourself and be happy. Just that.
Alright, big up yourself, babe. Well, me choose my family. Maybe not come right way as how I want it, but me choose my family. So if I saw me, I go lose, I saw me lose, alright? The only thing me have family. The only thing me have, I'm a penny, they want my birth. You understand me? So me choose her. Me choose keeping on her. Yeah, that's what I choose. So if I lose half of that, I lose half of that. You understand what I say? I'm not happy with I'm not happy with Daniel, none at all. I know what I want. You understand what I say? But you're not gonna do my child, not which part me day. You're not gonna do that around me. You're not gonna fucking do that. No joke, no crying pan that. You see me says either you gonna settle yourself and know yourself as a man. You get what I say, or you just find somewhere and go because that not gonna around me. You understand me? But me choose my daughter. Me choose my fucking child. I mean, I go back on that. Me dey here so me can hold my grandson. I mean, know say she okay, she dey on the other side. You understand what I say? I make she find back herself. So if the only thing me can offer in life is to did for her, that is it. That is what me can do. Right? Yeah, it's just a choice. No, that is not going to happen. Why he can't stay with his family, Annie? No, listen, him not go stay here. It's just what people are assume now because him come through stop, right? So listen, him did not go leave this morning, but them thief him bike. You understand me? At the bike, she say him come from. That's what she said to me. But when him go to do this morning, them figure out say them thief him bike from out of the yard. You understand? So, me not make a choice or decision said, okay, then that is going to happen. No, right? Lies. Guys, don't bother with that. Let's look on some tops. Good morning. Look here, me no want to hear nothing about that. Me just want everybody just get together and be happy. You understand me? That's all. So me no want to hear about no negative from nobody. That's it. If me make a choice, me make a choice. Me make a choice is she and that's it. Alright? Me no want you wanna say. I don't know me don't know if I lie or whatever. That's not my business. You understand? That's not my business. And by the way, we fuck somehow on a mad boat. Like we fuck with no phone a vex boat. Like literally, I'm me supposed to vex. I don't know go so ignorant in the comment section. Me not get that. What wrong with you now? No phone don't even genuinely like people, so we're not going so far. No, seriously, maybe 1 and 2 minutes say love me and really rate me upon this, but no phone where we're not come over here so go on so. Seriously? Look here, one family, me say Christmas a come, time hard, we don't know where tomorrow may bring. Me want my family, all of them, and I need one roof. All of we eat Christmas dinner together. Your whole family together. You get me? That's what me want. That's my desire. And I eat me a go for. That's it. Me not trust him either. Me didn't tell us I trust him. I don't trust him. I don't trust him. I don't like him a bit. You see me? But him did it and him love my daughter. What me I go do? What me I go do? No, me didn't tell us I trust and love nobody my love. Yeah. But when him see me have manners and respect to me, so make we work off of that. Yeah, in front of my face, me know say manners and respect him give me. Yeah, and him not go on with him bagga and him foolish in front of me. Him not go do that. So make we see what. But nobody no respect me. And that's the whole thing. Nobody no respect me, yes sir. You understand? No matter what me do, nobody no value what me do wrong, no. You see me, I just be a trouble now put me in. You understand me? But I can't take it.
On top of joking, no.
Can't deal with it.
Out of that. If I
can't deal with it, but all of this come wrong, me just type to me. No matter how me tell me get that clearance. And this. Oh my God. Put it on. So you can't believe what them say happen right now, right? And that really happen, right? Nobody, yeah, when me tell them do not drive it, right? Nobody no come to me, then go behind my back. Then go behind my back and do it. Right? I know when they're in a trouble, they might call me. Right? I wanna say, like when you don't get it yet, you don't can't understand. Alright, no problem. Get the lighter, give me. Them thief this man fucking bike, right? And after them thief this man bike.
Alright, my people. So I could hear what Annie have to say about how Redans get hold on pan by the officer them.
They did this morning, I make a bigger excitement, say them thief him bike. You understand? Me allow that alone because that no concern me. You get me? All I do, I talk to my daughter, I say stay home. You understand me? Nobody left again. I'ma talk to her, right? The guy get mad because somebody come in at night and thief him bike. You understand? Anyway, them did and them want accuse another person. They said no, that person would never do that. You get me? I tell them, I talk to them, I come up here, so I sit down on the live, we don't know the whole freaking time of there, so we don't know, right? May I get ready now, say, may I go river, go cook now and relax and post for my other channel. You get what me I say, right? Now, I did it. Him want come in at the house, wanna see me in my camera, him step come inside. You get what me I say? I hold my cool, me tell people say I want my daughter. Like me want you, me I fight for you, like literally, right? Me here with you now. You get me? Watch this. No, me there here, so them take up the car key, but I in my back. Me tell everyone in the house don't drive the car. I don't even put gas in it because I don't want nobody drive the car because mechanic come service the car for me, right? So, because I don't want them did it, right? You know what? Thank you, baby. So, because I don't want them drive the car, I make sure that I don't put no gas in the car. You get me? Just a little bit, but you get me? I don't gas it up. Then go behind my back and take your fucking keys. They take the fucking key. Drive with the car. I don't know where them go with red hands. I don't know where them say them go do and go down at some station or somewhere. You get what I say? I don't know, but I tell them do not drive the car. Right? Now me go get phone call. Who get locked up? How my car get Tek Weh? This and that happen. Ray and Taya happen. I don't want nobody call my name. I don't want nobody call my name. Like me just no nobody said nothing to me. Because you see when really and truly I started to really explode. I have so much fucking pack up inside of me. I try to ignore all of them for prayer, and them still a come up. Bro, you can't believe this fuck. How the freak you can't come out of the freaking yard. Go in. I go down nowhere. I not help nobody. Pause. Alright, I press my pause button. I not go nowhere. I ain't doing nothing. I not do not one shit. But just I gotta zone out for a little while. But just I fucking zone out. Like, yeah, my room dirty, so you go. I just zone out. Yeah. For a little while, I have to just zone out for a little fucking while. Yes, when I talk to Pitney and them now want blood clot here, them a go feel. That me know. And no matter what me say, I'ma talk to them and say to them, listen to me. Don't do this, no do that. No, them feel like say them bigger than people, so them just jump up and them go do. Cause I know me not understand when me I get phone call like, where you there? How comes you did this so? What really happened? You get me? I talk to you, right? I have said something. You get me? Right? But it's like nobody no want to listen. Nobody don't want to listen. Everybody want to control them life. You understand what me I say? Yeah. Try to make you all of them comfortable. They don't want that.
Yeah, man. I people them like chat at them about some accident. That was one.
Yeah, boss. But then me carry out a door, did they suffer go service. Then go behind my back and drive with my car and make police take with my car and who get locked up. Red ants. See them red ants, so me keep on tell them me no want round me. You see me? They just tear me down. Jabas me done. Me done, my brother. Me baby, me done. Me done, Jabas. Me done blood clot try. Me tired.
So we red ants take with car for?
They say him. So one of them carry him go down a station cause them thief him bike last night. Them thief red ants bike last night. You see me? So him go make one of them now take up my car key and carry him go on the road now and police hold on pan them.
So how we police lock up? How will you
Chrissy drive for me. Chrissy and Mika boyfriend.
Chrissy. Mika. Chrissy. Oh, that's Chrissy. That sound like one girl.
A tall brown guy.
Oh, God Almighty. So,
I talked to him yesterday, come and him talk about the mechanic to come service a car. You see me? He say, man, I go come, I think I today. So Jabas me never put no gas in my blood clot car.
and if go down the station and tell us that TV and TV car and call back a car, my police lock them up. Simple. Tell them say never know a TV and TV way. And them TV way. And not bail nobody.
Me not bail nobody. Jabas God kill me, so me not bail nobody. Me not come out of the blood clot room here. Me tired of them. Me tired of them, Jabas. They just a kill me. That's all them a do, a kill me slowly. No matter how me tired.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. As me say, me I run through that one quick and fast.
Talk to them, they not hear me. You understand?
Stop your ass laughing, because it's not laughing nothing, brother. Everything you know laugh, bro. The woman park her car, and if it's service, we don't take up your car, gone. Decline that, they come in and play them, you know. We take up your ass car, and drive your car. If a police lock up on a pussy wall, I don't know if you come out.
Now go down there, go help none of them. This squad I got a phone call, me get me a fair ask them, who are there?
Mr. Jack, call me, where you make a Jack call me for?
I don't know what them a call you for. I'm going to tell them
where them a call me for? Where them a call me, they're not supposed to call me.
Me done, baby, me got your boss, me done, I've got leave it. Me done. I can't
But
take no money.
I run up a pressure, you know. But I run up a pressure. The car is straight and everything, and then my problem, so...
Jabas, I talk to them. I talk to Hannah. I try to set her straight. I say, you can't stay here, so. You understand what I say? The same person, I ruin your life. Straighten up yourself as a woman. I talk to Jagger, I talk to all of them, but they don't want to hear what I have to say. So since I not valued, I don't want nobody call my phone now when they're in trouble.
Tell them no call my phone either, because I'm going like a me and them father. I'm going to Jagger, Jagger call me for. Take it something out ice cream, man, and I'm about to mash up your live stream, you know. The Ras say I call me for.
Jabba say you're calling.
And they were calling.
Tell them to don't call me. Tell them don't call me. What them a call me for?
Nobody not call him either.
What them a call? Don't call me. I'm not a police. I'm not a wrecker. What them a call me for? I'm not the owner of the vehicle.
You said that why can't reach out the Jagger?
I don't know how me drive the car.
Me put out the key in there, so me make sure say no gas, no. Me I go restart the live, yeah. Right? Me make sure no gas, no in the mechanic because service. Me know me I go yes the police has my car. But nobody no respect me. And that's the whole thing. Nobody no respect me, yes so. You understand? No matter what me do, nobody no value what me do wrong, no. You see me I just be a trouble now put me in. You understand me? But I can't take it.
I tap a joke, you know.
Can't deal with it.
If I
can't deal with it, but all of this come round me just strive to me. No matter how me try to get that clearance. And this me end up back in a brother.
You're too fucking out of man.
Them thief in bike last night. You know, jump on one bike, go down a station. And go and go start out him thing and go down where my bumper rascal go. When bumper clot he come and say no come when they start blood clot self go fuck up my blood clot life. What me I go figure do now? Eh?
So what am I do back there?
Me don't know. I know me and she. When me keep on talk to her and tell her, say listen to me. You don't need him round you. You understand me? Me keep on a worry because I want she there round me. You understand me? Even if the blood clot there because I'm not supposed to be nowhere at all round me, Jabas. And she know that. Me just hold it down because I'm a youth and my daughter. You get what me I say? I try to make sure say she good.
I understand, man. Christian Redance, two of them out of them for blood clot.
You're only a child with as a mother.
Somebody a troubler?
And you're going to do the right by leaving. You're going to leave. No, mommy.
You don't have to leave.
Miss, me don't know you're going to mute your happiness.
No bother with that. Please, no bother with that.
I'm going to leave.
We are not have to do that.
Redance now go dip on the property. You try find back your bike, report it to the police for get the bike. You never did for the year if your bike never get stolen in company bike.
You don't have to do that. They can steal here. Nobody listen to them.
Because by end of the day, one of the people I try create a controversy. I'm not like controversy.
Listen to me.
Mommy,
know that.
Me don't
know
that. Cry.
No, it's
a change person. Me not in the one bagger. You see, if me have to leave and do it by my own, I will do it because I am strong in that way. But no can control me like you don't know what. Not what me I go through bad man. Leave a woman, man. No. Woman making kinds them no man. I try to take them out by the back. That's not.
Yeah, man. Give me one word.
You have to leave me, no problem.
No, you don't have to leave, Anna.
All the pillars strip. Everything is strip.
At least the dog them asleep. At least the dog asleep on white sheet. The dog think tough, man. A boss alone sleep on white sheet, you know, bro.
Time, you can't bring on your man.
The reason why you never see me, for the media from over there, I show me the overshot with for the dirty 40 bar, my dog. You see, brief. But the job I know, you see what I say? Yeah, my dog. I'm active now. That one. The bar. Big bar.
Bad man, I see man and he's all lick fish, he most cap Jamaica. He's all lick with the pan.
The bar, yo, no easy the dog, I'm team and the man, yo. Yo, the mother cap, slime cap. Easy dog.
My youth. Yo, stop showing steering, brother, man, and block your life. Mind them block your life, slime. Stop showing steering. Stop showing steering. Mind them block your life. No, bro, I'm on hustle, bro. Don't make them block him life, bro.
Akeem, you see man I hustle. The man a care, man that's a care, bro.
This time gonna suck your man and come out of the youth car. Batty boy. I feel me with you, a bar in bar.
No, man, a slime truck, man.
I feel me with you, man. Go on.
Bro, when slime buy 1 3 series, I don't can't like me, one black one. What is your fuck?
As a dirty jagger.
Bro, tell them stop watching. Yo, slime. I'm start from somewhere. See, first time I buy 1 car, about 6 months I take before I pay a fee. You see what I say? About 6 months, my daddy I play a car mat before me even get him a dog.
Yo,
so I get him a bro.
You're not beg.
Oh, press the big button now. We have to side.
With the fool for the wrong kid. We have to play side. Yeah. Anything.
Yeah.
Alright.
Put me a slime on side, put me a dog dust here.
Alright, tough.
Any match, Zoom.
Any.
Akeem, see you time, my dog.
Easy, bro. Mind them something there.
Yo, man, you know the business, dog.
Still, when time she go on road, she always make sure she catch back solid coffee for you. What do you say?
You know say dog not really go on road.
You can't go to my look for him.
Jabba say no, say no rate me and you know me before all I man them.
Stop accepting much so no dog.
No slime man.
No put it on team, man.
Yo, do it, Sam, do it.
Let me do it, man.
I tell me on a subject. Why make me your choose to do it? Keep it for them. What up, my team?
Good morning, everybody. Oh, supporters, what I tell you now? Remember, I'm a backup page. I go live on my backup page. Upon the page, you know, for sending you no contact. Here, not upon the page, I come now go see you.
My side, port up, sir.
Yeah, you want first shoot, put me on. How do you want?
My side, use the first double.
Yeah, use the first double, you know. Watch out.
On them.
Yo, we are play a silent game. First 1,000 silent. You see what I say?
No, sir, that's not working.
Hold on, no. Roast them slime.
That's not work, Akeem. I tell you the truth.
Why?
Because if I don't beg, I make nice, then I give me shit.
Okay. So hands up then.
Alright, meet up in night.
No, hands up. Hands are your blood.
Alright, my people, so we're going to watch some more and then we're going to go over GX, you know, and hear what him have to say about Akeem and him friend them.
Meet up in night.
Yo! Well, I thought this. I wish I have a princess them said, but I lost it. Pick up, you know.
Chabas, you can't win and believe in yourself.
Believe in yourself, man. You always want company for me. You can't win by your own. How long you have to jump? I enjoy example.
Yo, you're the dog one. Reese, you see me there.
Me I go around to them, Chabas.
You're Chabas. You're job.
Hello, Chabas then can something there, no?
Yo, in the transaction, no man, you can't, bro. I don't really have much smoke in that thing, but we don't say we can't go on. 6,000 somebody over here, so come here.
6,000?
6,007. Come chat. First people. No, but chat, come chat. Actually, I don't want to mix up with one for. Chat, double.
Team, power tap your life.
Double chat. Thanks to you for the sharing and food that.
Alright, team, so we have a double. I'm going to use up a first double.
My money going to have something on my team. Don't sit down, just looking. I'm like.
Take 3 over there. Alright.
No, 159, bro.
Use up that triple there.
Shinley, thank you. Shinley, thank you. Sadia Spencer.
Good morning, baby.
Chat, make us something.
Good morning, informer girlfriend.
Yeah, you know, no foreign car can't go sell more weed, girl.
Mister, thank you.
That big my money go now.
Anisa, thank you.
The last people, yeah. I know what I'm going to do. Alright, so Natcha, I must get with Natcha. Alright, so Natcha, so my brother. Natch, wait for the next speed, Natch. We up on the next season now.
Yeah, we are gonna learn, man. Team, everybody who there in the match, power up the life, yeah, please and thanks. If you can share up your life for me, you share it up there.
Alright, so
just wait. Well, I'm not just wait. I wait from about 9 o'clock in the day. That's it. And there, just go and scroll through my phone and everything.
Chat, see triple are coming.
Jump on the live.
Big party girl. How are you there?
Any live last night, man.
Oh God Almighty, bro. Yeah, 12 persons send me one rose each. If any on the FYP beg you one rose, please. Everybody just drop one rose, please. Sadia, thank you. Everybody just drop one rose now, please. Everybody just drop one rose now, please. You my phone, beg you one rose. Chili, thank you. Naturally,
thank you, team. All right then. A speed
come
that
you team, man. You need JP1, big up. 2 more chat. Thank you, no chat. 2 more chat.
I wanna start your ranking it.
I know, I'm gonna start. I'm just come on, you know.
I will say if we can flick up a number 1.
Come on.
Team, first triplet team.
Sophia, thank you. Triple chat.
I can use up that first triplet. We don't enjoy ranking.
Sophia, then, big up. Just chat. Only gonna then something that team.
And thank you. Use up that triplet for me then, please. Chat, use that triplet for me then, team.
Triple team.
Triple. Use up that triplet. Natalia, thank you.
Natch, better something
now. Use up that triplet my team. Use up that triplet.
Chat, triple.
And Zia,
thank you.
Team, can use up that triple there? Pass chick.
Pass class. Rosalie, thank you, Rosalie.
Thank you.
Rosalie, thank you, Rosalie.
Use up that triple there.
Rosalie, thank you, Rosalie.
Me hear you.
That's why you're here.
I help you if you're not feeling embarrassed, bro.
Alright, me appreciate it. Thanks.
Use that triple there, my team. You know why you look bad, because you rate it, you know?
Thanks.
No, see, because you're over here, so.
Thank you,
Rose. Because you have no money for shoot against me.
Don't say that.
Tika's not no money for shoot against me, bro.
Don't say that. You know she boom down here. You know that.
Tika, shoot against me. We'll see what kind of score you can put up.
You know Mazzy boom out the blood classes.
Score you can put up.
But you know Mazzy boom out the head there. You know that. Diamond love, thanks to the follow. I'm follow you back same time. Here, big up yourself.
Top power tap it. No, we are telling her no for. I'm a baby, you know. Top girl, big up, you know.
Rose, big up yourself, and mama heart alone. Chat, look here now. Somebody's put there.
She know my team over here with Dosar. If I see somebody say something about what do you say one brown lady? You know she does try this, my dog. I'm not even pay her no mind still. That's what I mean. Yeah, bro. As me say, bro, it's not when me I got disrespect but nobody, bro. So all I do, bro, I just go up on them page, I block them and I make them go through, dog. You know what I say? If I sit down and listen to what them I say, or they make them drain me energy. I see all people come here and try to tell life it look bad. I mean, I say, watch ya. I not even follow it up, because I just realize the kind of person them is. I say, watch ya.
That's what they say, brother.
They look bad like them bad. I say, watch ya. I just know it, my dog.
When you choose yourself, brother, you choose your team, bro. That's what matters, isn't it?
Yeah, bro. So that me I show them, say, yo, you see certain thing, my peeps, me don't want to send me. You see what I say? Because, yo, me have some mud shooter over here, you know, bro. But they don't know how to shoot because me make some of them even shoot on TikTok, bro.
Yeah.
That's what I say. So I tell them, say, I shoot at them when I know if they shot me their number and I build a WhatsApp group with me. And you know we can talk about the thing or we can strategize or we do a thing, bro. Because, bro, while me I put up crazy points in a dog, but you see just through them don't know if you use the gloves and them little thing there. They kind of mess it up, bro.
That will teach them, brother.
That's why I tell you, say, yo, man, get them one place. Because there's some girl them way. Not even girl, there's some big woman them way. Yo, they respect for their fret, bro. And then, they want them, you don't know me sell me merge them already. And then support me merge hard, bro. When my sweater drop, everybody buy a sweater, everybody buy a t-shirt. The girl them buy them crop top and them thing there. So, them all send me picture and some of them can send picture through TikTok. No. This morning I want to support them over Instagram, me see her. You know what I say? She text me and I say, Akim, I want to send you a picture because they know so I always post it for my status on them. But you know? And I say, watch it. I say, alright then. You see? So I just get a note, I just get one brand new number. Well, I'm a WhatsApp that for that alone. You know what I say?
I will teach them and show them, bro.
Big up yourself, eh?
I will teach them and show them how to do their thing, brother.
Yeah, man. That one female, I said, she only give me my little bro.
So you're gonna press just from now till the morning, it will not move. Alright? Now, I'm going to teach you how to hold the steering and how to turn the steering. We're coming down to the end of the session. Alright? There are two proper basic hand positions. Good, that's one. So think about the steering wheel as a clock. 3 o'clock, sorry, 9 o'clock, 3 o'clock. 4 to 3, 9 to 3. The next position, left hand, where 10 is. Where is 10? The clock. So 8 o'clock is right here, 9 is right here, so where is 10? 10 is right here, so put the left hand right here. Left. Right hand where 2 is. That is 3. That is 2. So that is 1 and the next one is the next. So which one to choose? Most persons this is one that we choose. Alright? So at no point in time you should hold the steering apart from this. No. We don't hold the steering one hand. Yet. When you graduate and you take big driver, you can do what you want. You can use all your foot. Hold the steering if you want. But throughout the lessons, throughout your practices, your class, your sessions, you will hold the steering according to this position. However, when turning the steering, your hands should not cross each other, making an X. Yeah. So, put the car inside, put the inside.
Moment of truth. And the funny thing about everything, I forgot. Hold on. Put this down. Put in it, please. I forgot green screen. I don't think.
Alright, Kiki, you mean everybody a buy car and a drive out, why you can drive out too? And so I feel like every woman be able to can drive, but everybody supposed to be able to can drive. You know what I mean? You know, when you look I go, you see me? People, when me did I just learn to drive, me determine, you know, any little car, me see anywhere where me can jump in, you know, and make a move, you know, and learn, you know. Remember me tell you, nobody never sit me around the steering and say, yo, do this, do that, do this, do that. I watch people like even when me go in a taxi and them something, them watch the driver, them a drive. Until me able to can drive. You see me, I say, yeah, I saw me learn to drive, me just determined say, yo, me have to drive. You see me? Me watch people in a vehicle when them a drive, when me go in a vehicle, and me see what to do. Me know if you tap and brake and ray and ray.
Banana page. Guys, I forgot green screen the one year. Hold there. And hold on there. TikTok, hold on there. I'm on TikTok. Then go effects. Green screen. Alright.
Alright, good. So now you learn how to hold.
Turn off, yeah.
No, we're not moving. You're not moving right now. So now you learn how to hold the steering. Good? Where's my phone? Oh, yeah. So you learn how to hold the steering. Now you're going to learn how to turn the steering. So hold the steering again. Alright, good. So at no point in time when turning the steering, your hands should make an X. So you want to ensure that when you're turning, your hands don't cross each other. Good? Do you know how to do that? Turn the steering all the way. Let me see. This is what I'm talking. So you realize the one under and so we don't want none at all. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So you want both hands here, and then you turn the steering like this. So your hands does not cross. So this is called push and pull. Push and pull. Somebody just commented. Well done. So hold the steering again, and then see, push and pull. Nice.
We'll try it now.
Good. You're pulling, but there's no pushing. You just make it feel natural, man. Just like this. See? Just like that. Turn the steering all the way to the left.
Well, left there again here.
Yes, this is left. All the way to the left. Good. So, when you turn the steering, no, put it back. All the way to the left. This is called a left lock. So at any time you hear I ask you to lock the wheel to the left, this is what I mean. Yeah? You turn the wheel all the way to the left until you can't, the wheel can't go any further to the left. So this is called the left lock. No, the wheels are positioned like this on the outside. Do you know how to straighten the wheel now to straight ahead?
Yeah.
All you need to do, look at the sign. This is a Nissan sign. So you want to turn the wheel opposite so that the sign is upright 2 times. Good? Turn the wheel to the right 2 times until the Nissan sign is upright twice. So turn the wheel. Nissan sign is upright, that is 1. Turn again. And that's 2. You know what I'm in your box? And then turn the wheel to the right. Turn the wheel fully to the right. No, right, that is left. Good. Now straighten the wheel. 1, 2. Good. Alright, so now because you just learned this, we're going to basically put it in action so that the brain can receive it and cause muscle memory. So we're going to turn the wheel, we're going to lock the wheel to the left, straighten the wheel, lock the wheel to the right, and straighten it again. And we're going to do that 5 times. So lock to the left, straight, lock to the right, straight. That's 1. Do that now. Lock to the left. And then straight. Remember to count, yeah? I'm not going to count for you. 2. I want to hear the count. Lock to the right. Lock to the right. That's left. Straight.
Yeah, go right there.
Yes. Straight, I'm saying. I didn't say lock to the left, I said straight. Remember straight? You have to count.
1.
Alright, lock to the left again. Lock to the left. Straight. Remember to count.
1.
No. You count when the Nissan sign is upright. So lock it back to the left. No. Go to the right. That's 1. 1 more time. No, right, you must go. So the Nissan sign is upright. 2. I want you to count. Lock it to the right. You're going to be 2 tenths. Relax, that's free, man. Yeah, turn the wheel to the right. Lock it to the right.
Alright, my people, so we are going to watch a bit more and then we are going to go over to GXC.
And straighten it down. Count. When you count, when the Nissan is upright, count 1. When the upright again, count 2. I wanted to count. Look. Yes, based on the shape and the curves and all these things. Give me a stop right here. Very nice stop. Move off. Exactly, where's Jamaica Road, buddy? Great job. Yeah, she's doing a good job so far. So we're gonna go around back to where we're coming from, alright? And then we leave. By your third or fourth lesson, you're going to be the one driving on the driving. No. No. I don't want you to do that. It's better you slow down. It's better you slow down than do that, alright?
I was just getting out of car.
No, sir. No, sir. It better you slow down. It better you slow down and take your time and go in than to swing in. So there was a vehicle coming in the opposite lane. You'd have run into the. My instructor never taught me. So well done, sir. Thank you very much, ma'am. I've been doing this for the past 12 years.
Some of the feel I'm more styling thing with him because really and truly that's how we grow. So Akeem, him that talks like for stupidness. That's it. Be a stupidness in the talk. Try to water about life. It's a cute love. Our little man that cute love. That's it. Our little man cute love. Because any boy ever come on the internet come cap and tell a lie and all them sitting there. A little man them that. Some little man. You understand? Some little man. You come talk about the first time you come at the place. You come at the place. Sure, this is come and talk about when you just say I'm coming at the place and me I walk go towards Rosealee and female friend them start me in my place. She look a pissy tail boy when you walk with. She look a full boy when you walk with. Since you ever start fix them. Cause she look a either boy you walk with coming at the place, bro. And me never want. And chat. I never have no reason for go by Rosealee. I will fuck me a guy I go do. When me come out for out of my yard, I'ma see him car. I tell my brother say I feel him car that. And the little piece of tail boy, them swing time I tell my brother that. And you have one that come from Seaview, one of them come from Seaview. But know me. No, GX dog, we don't know your things already, dog. I know and GX dog and then GX dog and G. I'ma start page all him too. You know some of them want to GX dog and that talk as. We're not trying to pull off you. The first time she even the ride up on him bike and she got about her business and she started to lie about how me and trouble look up man with time and she be deceived. I look up his tail boy him out the road, catch him card and make him get him card. Big up in the many minutes. You see it. And that time the first time. She gone for her life, she gone for her life, but tell her I say, me trouble him, and he never did see me this the first time come here, He not see me, she not see me. She gone for her life, so me have trouble him. So the next time he come back here, they see him, go piss the tail boy, them up on the front, so them wait for him. Me go to them now and say, oh, when the fuck when I come have this girl, I come tell her, I say, me trouble no, in time I never did trouble no. No, dog. I hit me and tell her, the dog give a page
her too. The dog even page her too. I make sure no start fuck who she go on with. So I say, brother, what do you mean by dog page? I went to she up on her live now. And him not tell the life, so I lie she tell. Him never did click him live, but see him never time shut it off her mouth and tell the chat say I lie she tell. The whole of the night same fuckery. Him start explaining to him about Spain town him come from. And him used to lock off her head back. And if him find out so that man about him and him have to cut him off. Boy, I never asked her that. I never asked her that. So in a real and true life, I go punked, full Hakeem. And you look who you see that boy when you're par with really. I try to have them out. I'm just like, boy, I don't want to see one video. I don't want to see one video. Boy, you're licky. You never seen a video. For me, yes, that boy about it, boy, I'm cut that off. I don't want to know, say, I don't want to hear. Say about it, man. I can't par with you. You see it? So, when I come to about dog, and we used to par on way, and don't go and hear, say, in my body, man, I don't go and see one video. You say, I don't go and see one video. I don't go and see one video. You see it? No, boy, like you want. If you don't understand, you try. Don't do that. Yes, sweet pea, him see him one. Not really even know. Him friend them out the road was say them a body gas. Some look at my man now one of them then. You see it? So him come from Spain town and them won't go and see video say and them cut him off and all like a way and he can't style thing and boy go inside man, you look a piece of friend I mean, go down there so look a soft soap them man, I'm telling them man. You see it? You don't need to see her, you don't need to see her, you know? Yeah. Oh, me seal up and me tell you say me think say you want pray me. I can't pray me. I can't pray me. You can't pray me. You see it, so when I go there, we don't want to go there, so. So I come talk about me tell you say me think with it.
Some people make we hear what Jakes have to say some more and then we move on to the next.
But chat, different from that. We have a little small surprise. We have a little small surprise. A little and small and not too big. You see, we have a little surprise today. We have a little surprise today. That's it, chat. You know, all on tense, bad. All the haters them over here well want you to surprise them, you know. Yeah, all the haters them over here well want you to surprise. But when I met them, no, sir. But they look up to your friend. I go out with a joking thing. You understand? You can't say, yeah, real man, you really tell them stupid lie. Because stupid lie, you tell us. The lie don't make no sense, bro. You need to tell them full lie. What do you mean by you coming at my place and like say, at my place, not your place, it's not rosealee place either. You see, but apart from that, we have the excitement. And a big excitement, there's a small excitement. Yeah. There's a small excitement. Yeah, more everybody gets involved in that. The haters more get involved in that, yeah? You know me, when I really left out nobody, more everybody gets involved.
time for tune in for the live. About 3:30, everybody can tune in. About 3:30, everybody can tune in for the live. Although we can shoot a first scene. We can shoot a first scene, but going on the 2 o'clock bells. We can shoot one scene at 2 o'clock bells. About 2 o'clock we can shoot the first scene. I want to shoot the first scene, but you know what, man? I want to shoot the first scene them time. Man, I walk this better. You want most bro? You want that int? You want that int?